Last night we drank too much and got married. I'd avoid your pimp, he made me angry. Best $50 I've ever spent. But there are some things that I'll regret. I'm sorry I asked you for the special. On my chest you laid a steaming pretzel. Should've worn a condom, you looked infected. For our honeymoon, can we get tested? You might have thrush or hepatitis C, but you're still the best thing to happen to me. We were brought together by destiny, and the fact that I was feeling quite horny. Can I offer you a fisherman's friend to remove the smell of my bell end? We're like Romeo and Juliet. Let's pretend you were purchased in Phuket. You get abused when turning tricks. Hearing comments like, show us your dick. Yeah, people call you whore, but you're my angel. And darling, you had me, yet I do anal.